TFNN. Headline News Update.
Good morning, everybody. Tommy O'Brien coming to you live from TFNN headquarters in Clearwater, Florida. It's 9 a.m. It's Wednesday. Let's see what we have happening in the markets as we are trading lower in the futures. Dow futures down 87 points at 21,819, off 0.3%. NASDAQ futures off 24 points or 0.4%, trading at 58.54, and S&P futures off 9 points at 24.53. So markets trading a little bit lower today. You had President Trump out there tweeting maybe against NAFTA, tweeting maybe against a government shutdown. There's a lot going on in terms of earnings, so a lot of factors. Who knows what's factoring in, but markets are lower. Jumping over to the VIX, we're seeing the VIX trading a little bit higher this morning overnight as the markets have continued to tumble a bit. VIX right now trading 12.15 off of yesterday's close of about 11.38, and we'll see where that shakes out as, of course, we move through that trading day. So lots of equities moving around today as we jump around and see what we have. Lowe's will start first. Lowe's right now trading at 72.25. Disappointing on their earnings a bit. Lowe's came in and missed their estimates by 4 cents a share with adjusted quarterly profit of $157 a share. Revenue also fell below expectations. So Lowe's struggling a bit. Now, in the world of retail, there are definitely some companies that are coming out on top. Express, check that out. Express right now closed yesterday $5.49, came out with their earnings. Express earned an adjusted 1 cent per share for its last quarter compared to forecast of 1 cent per share loss. Revenue beat estimates, helped by a 28% rise in e-commerce sales. So if some of these retail companies can begin to capitalize on that online presence, you see what can happen. Closed yesterday at $5.49, jumped up to $6.95, trading at $6.40 right now. Salesforce came out with their earnings last night after the bell. Talk about some volatility. Salesforce closing yesterday at $92.95, as high as $94.88 initially on the news, down to $88.83, and then $91.30 currently where we're trading, down slightly off of yesterday's close. Let's jump over to that Nadex platform, see where we have some of those futures markets. Here's our NASDAQ 100. Overnight, we're looking at about a high of about 3:30 in the morning, and since then it's kind of all been downhill. 58.51. We'll jump quick to a few of these. There's our S&P 500 trading lower, 24.42. Euro US dollar. And there's crude oil. EIA inventories today, 10:30 Eastern time. We'll be back here live. Have a great afternoon. Larry Pesavento coming up right now.